Everybody ready? Because we're back with an inside look at quality control for LLumar films. Let's go. I'm in the QC lab with Charlotte. QC stands for quality control?
Correct.
Nice. Okay, so what do you do here in the QC lab, Charlotte?
We make sure that we test the film before it gets to the customer. We check for imperfections in the film, such as scratches, creases, adhesive skips, orange peel distortion, making sure that it meets the customer specification.
So this is the final quality control checkpoint before film even goes out the door.
Correct. How about I show you a visual inspection test?
I would love that.
So what Tashel is doing is a visual inspection. What she is looking for is any imperfections, such as scratches, buckles, creases, contamination, anything that is unacceptable for our internal specifications. We have set our bar high, so we want to make sure that we're meeting specifications at all times before our products go to packaging.
Or it's on you.
That's right.
We hope you enjoyed this inside look at LLumar Quality Control. We'll see all of you next time.